Okay, everyone. Very good morning to all of you. And today I'm going to just start with the first chapter of the class 11. Okay, and the first chapter is set theory. So I'm going to just talk about the set theory. And when we talk about the set, first of all, we are going to just talk about the sets. Okay, what is sets in mathematics? What is the meaning of the set? Can we talk about? Basically, in mathematics, set is the collection of well-defined things. Well-defined things. What is the meaning of well-defined things? This one is very important term for the set. If the things, it means the collection is well-defined, then that collection will be known as the set, otherwise not. Just like collection of English alphabets. Okay, the collection of English alphabets is well-defined, A, B, C, D to Z. Collection of vowels, A, E, I, O, U is well-defined. Okay, collection of students of class 11th in Sir Mounty School. It is also well defined, okay, because everyone are registered over here. And when we talk about collection of intelligent boy in Sir Mounty School, yes, listen everyone. Collection of intelligent boy in Sir Mounty School, then it is well defined or not? Collection of intelligent boy in Sir Mounty School is well defined or not? Yes. Tell me, collection of intelligent boy in Sir Mounty School is well defined or not? Who will tell?
No, sir, because we cannot,
No, sir.
sir,
Yeah.
we cannot define anyone. No, sir.
Yes, yes. According to me, it may be possible that the meaning of intelligent is other. According to physics, sir, meaning is other. According to you, meaning is other. Okay. It means it
Okay,
is
yes,
not well defined. It is very from person to person. So that's why we can say that this is not a well defined collection. So it is not a set. Okay. If we talk about the all beautiful girl in the world, then it is a collection or not, a set or not? Collection of all
no,
beautiful girl in the
no,
world
sir.
is a
No,
set or
sir.
not?
No,
Then
sir.
No,
it is
sir.
not the
No,
well
sir. It
defined
is not
because it may be
No,
well-defined,
possible
sir.
sir.
that in Gorakhpur
No,
the
sir.
parameter of beautiful is other. In Bombay, it may be other. In America, it may be other. In South Africa, it may be other. Okay. So that's why we can say that the term well beautiful is not well defined. Okay, it vary from place to place. So that's why the collection of beautiful girl in the world is not a set. Okay, when we talk about collection of natural numbers, students, collection of natural numbers, it is a set or not? Collection of natural numbers,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
collection of
Yes, sir.
natural numbers is a set because we know very well that natural numbers always satisfy a particular definition. Okay, so that's why the collection of
Yes, sir.
natural number is an set. Just like collection of real number, also real number satisfying the particular condition. So that's why the collection of real number also a set. Okay. Talking about the collection of whole number, also a set. If we talk about the collection of integers, also a set because it is satisfying the condition. Collection of toppers in Sarmount school, also a set. Collection of Indian batsmen in the current situation, okay, also well defined. But if we talk about the collection of batsmen in the India, it may be not defined because how many batsmen are there? It may be possible that gully may be kuch batsmen ho. Okay, so that's why we cannot be collect. But if we can collect the all members of the team India, so that's why that will be a set. Okay. So when we talk about the collection of well-defined things, then in that condition, the collection will known as the set. So just write down here. Set is the collection of well-defined things. Okay. For example, collection of vowels. Collection of vowels. And you know very well that collection of vowels when we talk about A, E, I, O, U. This is well defined. If we talk about collection of even number, collection of even number, collection of even number, when we talk about, it is also, we know very well that divisible by 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, like this. It is also a well-defined collection. So that's why it is a set. And when we talk about collection of intelligent y, in your class, then it is not a set because it is not well defined. If we talk about collection of beautiful girl in world, it is also is not a set. Okay, right. So we can say that collection of well-defined things is only the set, otherwise not. So you have to just write down these examples also. There are so many examples of the sets. Okay, when we talk about, first of all, you have to write these 4 examples. Any doubt anywhere, students?
No,
Any
sir.
doubt?
No, sir.
Very good.
No,
Now, if collection is well defined, then other thing is just comes out over here. That things in the mathematics, what is the name of that thing in mathematics which are in set? Okay, तो मैथमेटिक्स में उन सारे थिंग्स का क्या नाम है, इसके बारे में हम लोग बात करने जा रहे हैं. बेसिकली दैट collection and the things in that collection which is well defined are known as element of the set. Here, when we talk about the things in the given set, then they are known as element of the set, basically. And here, for the element of, we have a symbol, this one. Just write down onto your copy. For element of, we have the symbol like this. Okay, we can represent the element of by using this symbol. It means when we talk about the collection of vowels, then A is the element of collection of vowels. Okay, when we talk about the E is also the element of collection of vowels. When talking about I, also the element of collection of vowels. When talking about U, also the element of collection of vowels. But when we talk about C, it is not the collection of elements of collection of vowels, students. Okay. So what we have to do here, if we represent the given set by using the capital letter A, okay, one. And always there are 2 methods I'm going to just explain over here to write the set. First one, in braces we have to just put the same elements. Okay, and here the elements are A, E, I, O, and then what we do? Use this one. And here if we talk about small a is the element of A, yes, it is correct. If anyone talk about small e is the element of A, yes, it is also correct. But if anyone talk about C is the element of A or not, then what does mean? C is not the element of vowels. Okay, so we can represent not the element as crossing the element symbol like this one. It means C is not the element of A. Okay, just write down onto your copy, everyone. Okay, students. Any doubt anywhere to writing the elements? Any doubt anywhere, students?
no, sir. No, sir.
Sir.
No, sir.
So we have to just apply the element of symbol if that element lies into the set. If not lying, then it means you have to apply not the element. Okay. Now, just write down method to write any set. 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 Method to write the set. And here in mathematics, there are two methods to write any set. First one, roster form of the set. Roster form. And the second one, set builder form. Set builder form of the set. There are two methods by which we can write any given set in mathematics. Set in roster form. What is the meaning of the set in roster form? When we put the elements, elements of set by applying comma between them into braces. It means this symbol, this is the braces, into braces, then set is known as in roster form. Just write down onto your copy, everyone. So what does mean in roster form? What we have to do, we have to just put the all elements. You can easily understand now the term elements. All elements of the same by applying the comma between the elements, between two elements, into the braces. Braces means this curly bracket. Then set will known as in roster form. This is a simple technique. In this, we have to just write the all elements by applying the comma between them. Okay, Ambrish Gupta, are you understanding? Ambrish Gupta. Yes. Ambrish Gupta, are you writing?
Yes, sir.
Copy.
Yes, sir.
Write down it onto your copy. So in this condition, set will known as the roster form. Now let some examples in roster form I'm going to talk about, and after that I will explain the set builder form of the set. Okay. So first of all, let us see the example. First one, set of natural number lesser than 5. Set of natural number lesser than 5. This one. When we talk about set of natural number lesser than 5, then we can write as the set A is equals to natural number lesser than 5. What? 1, 2, 3, 4. This one. These are the natural numbers just lesser than 5. If we talk about set of even number less than 10. When we talk about the even number less than 10 and you want to write in roster form, then what are the even number? As you know very well that 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. But lesser than 10 we are interested over here. So 2, 4, 6 and 8. We get this one. Okay, these are the even number which are lesser than 10. Okay, third one. If we talk about third one example, set of vowels, as I already explained, is given as A, E, I, O, and U in braces. Just write down. So these are the first method. This is the first method by which we can put the any set into the roster form. In the roster form, what we have to do? We have to just put the all elements into the braces by applying the comma between them. Just write down onto your copy, everyone. Okay, student, done? Written?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Any
sir.
doubt in roster form?
Sir. No,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So write down next one form, set builder form of the set. Set builder form of the set. The second form of the set is set builder form of the set. Everyone, just write down. Second form, set builder form of set. Set builder form of set. As the name suggests over here, set builder, it means we have to just write a rule. Write a rule. Rule means nothing. You can say in mathematical term, this is formula. Rule is nothing. This is formula basically in mathematics. Okay. So when we write a rule for the given elements of the set, and that rule must be satisfied by the each elements. That rule must be satisfied by the each element of the given collection. It means set. Okay. Then that form of the set will known as the set builder form, and here we have to just write the set in set builder form as in curly bracket x such that this is a symbol for the such that everyone such that x satisfies the given condition. X such that x satisfies the given condition. Okay, everyone? It means in every roster or set builder form of the set, there are two parts. First one part is rule. It means you have to just use the formula, you can say. And the second part is condition. So here, if we write the set like this, then the set will known as in set builder form. Just write down everyone onto your copy. So this is the second method to write the set builder form. And here in set builder, first of all, we have to just recognize which one property is going to be satisfied by the each element. And after recognizing the property, we have to write a rule. Rule means formula. And after writing formula, it may be possible that some conditions are required. Then after that, we have to apply the condition. Okay, and write into the braces. Then we get the set in set builder form. This is the simple technique to write the sets. There are two techniques. First one was roster form, and the second one was set builder form. Okay, everyone. Let us see an example over here in set builder form. It is going to be more clear. Let me want to write the set of even number, everyone. Even natural number, you can say even natural number. We want to write the set of even natural number in set builder form. Then what we have to do? We have to just write a rule. It means formula. As you know very well that when we talk about the even natural number, then even natural number always in the form of 2n. You know very well that. It means in multiple of 2. Okay. So this is the formula. So we have to just write x such that x equals to, it means 2n, which is formula where n belongs to the natural number condition. Just write down. So by this way, n belongs to natural number. As you know very well that natural number means capital N representing over here beta natural number. And here, if we talk about the natural number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this, and if we put 1 in this formula, then what we get beta? 2. If we put 2 over here, then what we get? 4. If we put 3 over here, what we get? 6. If we put 4 over here, we get. It means all natural number we get over here. Okay. So this is the technique to write the set in set builder form. If you have any doubt anywhere, you can easily ask. Yes, students. Any doubt anywhere, beta?
Sir,
No, sir.
Okay, good. So set builder form is that first of all we have to just recognize the properties, and after that we have to use the rule. It means formula, and applying the condition right into the bracket like this. Okay. Now this is the representation of this set into the set builder form. As you know very well, then when we talk about the even natural number, Then what does mean?
फॉर्मूला पता नहीं
Even natural number is
शो करने के लिए हाँ
in
ये
form of 2n. It means multiple of 2. So that's why we have to write x such that x
x
equals to 2n, where n
2n
belongs to the natural number.
फॉर्मूला
Everyone just see and write down. Any doubt, anyone? Any
No,
doubts?
sir.
सर
सर हमेशा फॉर्मूला
Yes, yes. Tell me, beta. Yes, anyone? Okay, let's see
अगर
some more
फॉर्मूला
examples.
बना तो
Let's some more example. Okay, going to be just clear. Formula definitely will get. Don't worry about it. Okay, you have to just think about it. Which one condition is going to be satisfied, or which one formula is going to be just formed. Okay, just see the second example. If we want to write set of square of natural number less than 30, just write down this one. Set of square of natural number less than 30. We want to make the set of this one into the set builder form. First of all, I'm going to just write into the roster form, as you know very well that set of square of natural number less than 30. यानी स्क्वायर करने के बाद जो नंबर है that will be less than 30. Then here 1, we square 1, and after that what beta? We can say the set of square of natural number, it means 4. After that 9. After that what we get? 16. After that what we get? 25. And these are the square of natural number which are lesser than 30 into the roster form. This one form is what beta? Roster form. Now if want to write in set builder form, then what we have to do? These are the square of natural number. No, just write down square of natural number. Let the natural number is n, then square of natural number is what? N square. So we have to just write the formula x plus that x equals to n square. This one. If we're talking about cube, it means we have to just make cube of the natural number. Okay, if we're talking about any other, then we have to use the same like this one. And after that we have to apply the condition. What is the condition over here? We have to just write the involved and over here into the obtained one. Okay, what will be the value of n from 1 to where beta? 5. Just write. This is the condition. And you know very well that what is the meaning of this one? I had already told you. Natural number less than, where n belongs to natural number. Natural number less than or equal to 5, greater than or equals to 1. What does mean? It will be 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5. And when we put into this formula, then we get the set of square of natural number which are lesser than 30. Okay, so just write down. By this way, we have to just think and write the set into the set builder. Here we have, first of all, we have to just recognize the property of the elements, and for that we have to use the formula. Simply, there are no any other thing related to that. We have to just think about. You have to just concentrate about that term, that given condition, that given set only. Not to be thinking about any other thing. Yes, ये क्या होगा, वो क्या होगा, ऐसा नहीं. बस केवल देखना है कि क्वेश्चन में दिया क्या है और उसको क्या लिखना है. Nothing else. Okay, students. So I think you can write the set into the both form, set builder form and roster form, both. Am I right or not? Now write down a question and tell me the answer of this one. Write the set of odd natural number less than 20. Everyone, in both form, in roster form